Half-blind dovetails are more difficult than through dovetails for one primary reason. When you're cutting through dovetails, you can easily pair between the pins and the tails. Nothing's in your way. But when you do the half-blind, you're having to work into a blind corner. Makes it rather difficult. Now you have three options to do that. You can use a small 1/8" chisel, but again, you're trying to drive a squared off chisel into an angled corner, which means in order to get into the corner, you've got to go beyond. And depending on the thickness of your end lap, that can be dicey. Next option is to use a pair of skew chisels. And I said a pair because you need one for the left and one for the right. The biggest problem with the skew chisel is when you're pushing through this end grain cut, your line of force is off center, and it's rather difficult, more so than it needs to be. My option is to use my half-blind dovetail chisel made out of a 5/8" IBC chisel, which number one gives me lots of width out here, so I have good leverage on the chisel so I can torque it whatever way I need. Because it's angled on both sides, I can do the left corner, I can do the right corner, and most importantly, it keeps my line of force on center. So when I'm pushing through that end grain, whether it be softwood or hardwood, I'm not over here, I'm straight on. Makes it so much easier. Cut a pair of a set of half-blind dovetails with a chisel like that, you'll never want to do it without it.